Hi you guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you a balayage on dark version hair. I'm excited for this, and this also too was requested by some of you on Instagram, so I wanted to go ahead and get it out there. Really quickly, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell button for more videos. But let's go ahead and get this video started. So starting off, I'm going to be using my Goldwell Oxycure bleach, and I'm going to be using the dust free with the Goldwell 30 volume developer. This is a 9%, and I'm going to be mixing 1 scoop with developer 35 grams. So the reason why I am using a 30 volume developer is because she does have virgin hair, and we want to get her to about at least a level 8 so we can tone her to a level 7. Now, I'm not going to do an open balayage because I really don't do that, to be honest with you guys, on my clients. I foil a lot. I just feel like when you foil the balayage, it always looks better and it always lifts better as well, and you don't get as much orange in the hair. You get a little bit more yellow, so that way you can tone it out. So I'm actually just going to be taking sections going across, and I'm going to be weaving out 2 pieces, and they're kind of big. I want this to kind of be a little bit more dimension all throughout her hair, but yet to where we still can get her light and see those bright pieces all around. So I'm just going to be starting off here in the back, taking these sections, and then I'm going to be folding it. Now I'm going to be doing this all the way up the head. So like I said, the goal is to get her to at least a level 8 to where she doesn't have that much warmth in her hair. Being virgin hair, she is going to have some warmth, and especially because she's about a natural level 4, she's going to have some red and orange. So the reason why I like to get it a little bit more lighter than originally what I'm going for is because I could always tone it down. And when you tone it down, I just feel like the color always looks a little bit more better. So let's say, of course, I want to get her to a level 8, but she wants to be a level 6. The color is just going to look a lot more better, and she's not going to have so much orange and natural pigment in the hair. So if your goal is about like a level 7, I would say try to lift to either an 8 or a 9. That way you could always tone down. I just feel like the color always looks a little bit more better when you do that. Okay, so now that I'm getting to the crown of the head, I'm actually going to be changing it up. Instead of doing that really thick weave, I'm actually going to be doing baby lights. Now, the reason why I like to do this is because I feel like when my clients wear their hair straight, just me personally, I don't like to see chunky pieces all throughout the hair. I like to see a really good blend. So I feel like when you do baby lights, especially around in this crown area, you're going to get a really seamless blend, and it's just going to look better in general. So now that I'm getting to the front hairline and also to around the face, I'm actually going to be doing that same thing like I did on top. I'm going to be doing some like baby lights, kind of very thin, but yet still keep a lot of her hair. Also too, the sectioning is going to get a little bit more smaller as well. So I'm going to kind of, in a way, do them back to back, as you guys will see. And this is her first time coloring her hair, so we do want it to look natural. We don't want to go full out right away. This is just like her first time, her first balayage. So now with those baby lights, I just went ahead and did those all the way up on top of the head, still with that same pattern just around. Now I'm going to be letting her sit for about 45 minutes to almost an hour, and then we will tone her. So she's got about 50-50, 50% balayage and 50% of her natural hair still out as well. So now for toner, I went in with Redken Shades EQ, 8N, 8V, and 6NA. Now I went in with both the 8N and 8V equal parts and just a little bit of like 10 grams of the 6NA. I also did do a little bit of a root mount, kind of in a way, just to blend a little bit more better, and I went in with the Matrix 4 Ash, and it just made it like a super seamless blend just because she did lift a little bit warm. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This is the finished look. I love the way this came out because she still got some bright pops in there, but yeah, also too, it just looks a little bit more natural, especially for her first time coloring her hair. So I'm super happy that she loved it, and I hope that you guys love this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I will leave it down below and right here, but I will see you guys next time.